will show you the garden. Ta-da! This is the back of the house. Their garden also from the neighbors, but this is ours. And these, I don't know what this called, the plants there. Yeah, we have this I think I don't know, what is this? This is turnip. Yeah, this green one is turnip. I think the violet one is spinach. Okay, I'm guessing. Ooh, there are more there. Again, I think this is turnip. Yeah, this is turnip. Turnip! A mango tree. We have one mango tree here. This is onion. They're growing now. This is, I don't know what you call this one, but this is duhat in the Philippines. This is empty. I don't know what should be planted there, but I think Abu will plant something there this winter. This is garlic. It was just cultivated a while ago by Abdullah. Congratulations. Garlic, everything is garlic. Diba? This is black beans. And that is a desert. Sometimes there will be camel there just eating grass. Sometimes I saw some camel there. So it is legit desert when it has camel. Kidding. I've been wondering, what is that thing called? Okay, maybe we can take a look at that. It's not orange, but looks like orange. I'll show you. Maybe we can get something and taste it for ourselves. Pardon me if I'm gonna get something out of the neighbor without asking them. See, looks like orange, but I don't know if it's orange or what. Let's try and taste it. I'll just get some. Oof, sorry. Smells delicious. Let's taste it. Looks like the landan in Philippines, but not really. It is actually orange. Tastes like orange. Nice. This is our path. It's like the landan. It is sweet. It is sweet. Okay, Abdullah is back. Because today is orange picking day. We have found something.
We have found some oranges
It
in
is?
our neighborhood that Michelle found very interesting, very tasty. So
Tasty and sweet.
So we are going to ask them if we can get some. Let's see.
Let's see what happens. I'm gonna wait. Is there a person there, really?
Yeah.
Ooh. Papa got the permission and we are allowed to take some. Yay! Happy! Thank you! Congratulations!
This is a kind of orange.
Mm-hmm.
There are many kinds of orange, so this is the one that is found nearby.
Mama, hello everyone.
Go home.
Hello Aisha, where are you?
We are in the
Hello?
province, Aisha.
Where are we?
We are in a village nearby Jahania.
Jahanya.